Stumbled across a ZPD file in a programming or research project folder. This is a specialized predicate definition file used in formal logic and computational systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and let me show you how to open and work with these ABC Zeroadic Predicates files. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful ZPD troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. ZPD files are ABC Zeroadic Predicates files used in formal logic programming and theorem-proving environments. They contain predicate definitions with 0 arguments representing propositional facts or rules within ABC reasoning systems used in academic research, artificial intelligence, and computational logic applications. ZPD files store predicate definitions in a text-based format following the ABC system's syntax for zeroadic relations. The structure defines predicate names, truth assignments, and associated metadata using a strict grammar that the ABC interpreter parses to construct logical knowledge bases for inference and reasoning operations. The ZPD file originated with and is formally handled by ABC programming language developed by open source. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows may show the code, but executing it requires the matching scripting tool. Open the context menu to check file association. Right-click your ZPD file and choose Open With. Try ABC programming language first. If it's absent, select another program. Testing is the most reliable diagnostic. If the ZPD file won't open, don't panic. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific ZPD error occurs on most Windows systems. First, opening with ABC system. Install the ABC reasoning system or compatible logic programming environment that supports zeroadic predicate definitions. Load the ZPD file through the system's import or consult command, which parses the predicates into the active knowledge base for queries and logical inference operations. Next, viewing as text. Open the ZPD file in any text editor such as Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text, since the file uses plain text format. Review the predicate definitions and syntax to understand the logical structure before processing through an ABC-compatible interpreter or reasoning engine. Finally, converting to other formats. Translate ZPD predicates to Prolog or another logic programming syntax by manually rewriting the definitions or using a conversion script. This enables use in widely supported environments like STY Prolog, allowing the logical content to be queried and integrated with modern logic programming tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.